Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, Aditi is interested to construct a portfolio for security M and N. She has collected the following information about the proposal in investments. So investment A and B, expected return would be 20 and 25, standard deviation would be 12 and 16, correlation coefficient between M and N is 16. Aditya want to constitute only the portfolio of M and N as following. All fund invested in N, 50% fund invested in each M and N, 75% of fund invested in M and 25 in N, 25% of fund invested in M and 75 in N. All the fund are invested in N. So you are required, number one, expected return under different scenarios, risk factor associated with these portfolios, which portfolio is the best for the point of view of risk, and which portfolio is the best in the form of return. Going ahead with the solution, first of all we need to compute the statement of showing computation of return. So first we have M, all the fund invested in M. So I have made a table containing 8 columns, which contain the first one is particulars and MN, then percentage of holding, then return and total return. So first the entire amount would be invested in M, therefore the proportion would be in M and N will be 0. Therefore the total return would be as same as the return of N M, therefore total return would be 20. Next one, the fund, 50% of fund is invested in M and N. The return of M and N would be for 20 and 25. Therefore 50% of M and 50% N will be considered. So 50% of M will be 10% and 50% of N will be 12.5%. When we add both the fund, it would be 22.5%. Now next one is 75% invested in M and 25% in N. The return is same as 20 and 25, and the weight will be changing as 0.75 and 0.25. So when we multiply it with the return with the proportion of M and return with the proportion of N, it would be 15 and 6.25, and when we take the total, it would be 21.25. The same way the next proportion would be 25-75. So the weight would be changed as 25-75 and the return would be 5 and 18.75. When we add that, it would be 23.75. Next one, all the fund is invested in N, then the return would be 25. Total return also will be 25. So among this, if you want, the return would be much higher if we invest the entire fund in N. That is the fifth one. Okay, now we are going to compute the risk factor. So the formula for risk factor would be root of M square into weight of M square plus root of N square into weight of N square into 2 into weight of M into weight of N into standard deviation of M into standard deviation of N into PMN. Therefore it would be root of 12 into 12 square into 1 square into 16 square into 1 square into square plus 2 into 12 into 1 into 16 into 0 into 0.14, which will be 1.144. That will equals 12. And in the same way you need to compute the entire thing, and when we check the best portfolio at the point of risk, it would be the best portfolio from the point of view of risk would be which has the lower risk or least risk factor. So when we check here 10.42, which is the portfolio 3, that is 75% of fund invested in M and 25% in N will be the best portfolio when it compared as risk. Now the fourth one, best portfolio from the point of view of return would be the portfolio 5, that is 100% of fund is invested in N. As we discussed, the return will be 25%. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.